Hello students, welcome to this channel. In this session we are going to learn about Hoffman's rule or Hoffman's product, right? It is all about dehydrohalogenation, elimination reactions. Now here I have taken 2-bromobutane, right? And it is going to be treated with alcoholic KOH. So elimination reaction is what we can expect. Dehydrohalogenation, of course we know that beta elimination is going to happen. So bromine attached carbon will be called as alpha carbon, and we have 2 beta carbon atoms, right? So hydrogen can be eliminated from either sides, right? If we get this product, the more substituted product will be the major product according to Zeistoff rule. We know that Zeistoff rule says that more substituted alkene is the major product and the less substituted product is the minor product, what I will call as Hoffman's product. Right, Hoffman's product. But in some cases, Hoffman product will be the major product. We are going to look at what are all the situations that will lead to the formation of Hoffman's product. Now let us see the first situation. Here I have a compound which is going to be treated with a methanol and of course a base, right? So methoxide ion will be generated and it is a small base, right? It is smaller in size. And if I employ a smaller base, then I'll end up with a Zeistoff product which is a major one, right? So this product is a major one. But if I employ a bulky base by taking tertiary alcohol with KOH, right? Tertiary alcohol with KOH, then a tertiary butoxide ion will be generated. This tertiary butoxide is a bulkier one. It's a bulky base, so it cannot go and take a proton from the center carbon, because of its steric hindrance. So it will always take a hydrogen which is at the terminal, right? So I'll get this product which is a major product, and this product is a Hoffman one, right? Hoffman's product. This will be the major product. Okay. The next situation is poor leaving group. Okay. Now here I have a halogen that is attached to the second carbon. Okay. If this halogen happens to be fluorine, fluorine is the poor leaving group. If I have fluorine here, then even though if I employ alcoholic KOH, okay, which is a smaller size base, which will produce smaller size base, still I will end up with an alkene which is a least substituted one. So I will get this alkene, right? This is the alkene which will be the major product. So poor leaving group will always lead to the formation of Hoffman product. The third situation is steric hindrance at beta carbon. Here I have a halogen, bromine, and bromine attached carbon is alpha carbon, and I have 2 beta carbons, right? But I want you to look at this beta carbon, right? This beta carbon is being sterically surrounded by 3 methyl groups and a bromine atom. So it is difficult for this base to abstract a proton from this beta carbon. So the easiest way is to take away a proton from this one, which will result in Hoffman's product. So the final product will look like CH3. We will get a Hoffman product only. Right? So this product will be the major product which we will get. Now let's consider the fourth situation. Alkyl halides with 1 or more double bonds. Okay. Now I have a reactant in which there is a double bond. Okay. And I have a bromine over here, right? Now bromine attached carbon is alpha carbon and I have 2 beta carbons, right? So according to Zeistoff rule, a hydrogen should be taken away from this bromine, right? But contrary to our expectation, a hydrogen will be taken from here, because if double bond forms over here, that will be in conjugation with the double bond which is already present in that compound. So that's how Hoffman product will be produced. This product will be produced, which is a Hoffman product, and this is the major product, right? Now the fifth situation, whenever a quaternary ammonium compound is subjected to heating, it will always lead to the formation of Hoffman product. An alkene will be formed according to Hoffman's rule. So this is the major product which we will be getting. Okay, so guys, we have learnt about the situations in which Hoffman product will be the major product, and it is very important because always competitive examination question paper setters will ask from exclusions and some exceptions, right? So please practice it. All the best. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.